So you get the drop block. This is a chaser, and you're thinking, oh, well, I'll just slide it in here and it's going to connect. That's not the case. It doesn't go up into the butt. You know, it's actually really simple. The drop block is a tank adapter up front, M16 threads, and an O-ring out back. And then I'm gonna fast forward through the chaser disassembly. This is well documented on YouTube. You remove the breech set screw, the breech, the brass transfer port, and everything comes out. You take this screw out of the grip forestock, take your whole action out, and then you have one other screw that retains the valve. And once your front CO2 piercer cap is out, you can get the valve out. The front half of the valve is going to be set aside, and all the drop blocks do, and the simplest way to look at this is it's an extension of the valve, and that's really all it is. So you'll take your valve stem, which is actually a two-piece unit, you'll put it in there. You'll take the factory spring, put it over the valve stem, secure that. It'll come, not this one, but it'll normally come clocked so that the top of the valve is in line where the drop block would be at a 90-degree angle. So it would sit like this. And then slide it back in. You start with your screw that goes below the main tube and just go through the reassembly process. One thing I would actually do that I always do on the 2240s, 2250s, I actually attach the tank to your coupler and pressurize the system before even reinstalling. So if there's any leaks or if you hear anything, if your poppet, that's the only thing that can really leak, because if your poppet isn't seated, you'll recognize it and be able to diagnose it before reassembling the gun. But once that tank's on there, back into the action, your set screw, back into the stock, and then the breech sequence, and that's pretty much it. Like I said, I'm not going to go through the disassembly and reassembly in great detail, but this is your completed assembly, taking the back of the valve and screwing it onto the drop block, and then screwing your tank into here, and that's it.